evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Albert Budstein. Have you ever imagined buying your dream home? What if you could save thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage? Do I have your attention yet? If so, I have some exceptional news. It's brilliant, in fact. The MCC is available to you. The Mortgage Credit Certificate Program, that is. And such a clever program at that. Enrolling in the MCC program through the Alabama Housing Finance Authority can help you save up to $2,000 per year for loans under $150,000. If your loan is greater than $150,000, your savings can increase even more. How? I'll tell you precisely how. Although it's been around for quite some time, the MCC is one of the top-notch programs on the market today. And in my opinion, it's one of the most amazing tools for eligible homebuyers. A Mortgage Credit Certificate, or MCC, allows homeowners to claim a special tax credit every year, reducing the amount of their federal income tax. This is not a tax deduction, but a tax credit. A tax deduction, of course, is good because it reduces the amount of your income that you pay taxes on. A tax credit is even better because it's a discount taken dollar for dollar off your tax bill. The amount of the tax credit is equal to a percentage of the mortgage interest you pay each year, depending on the size of the loan. This tax credit is available every year for the life of the loan as long as you continue to live in the home. Homebuyers can increase their buying power by utilizing the tax savings to increase their monthly income, helping them to purchase a home that might have been out of their price range before. Now let's look at how it works. Let's suppose you purchase a home with a loan of $150,000, and let's suppose your annual loan interest rate is 6.8%. Ordinarily, you could deduct all the mortgage interest from your reported income on your tax return. However, with an MCC, you could use a percentage of this interest as a tax credit in the amount of $2,000. If you took the tax credit through your paycheck at work, you would add an extra $166 a month to your take-home pay. Just ask your employer to adjust your federal tax withholdings with the MCC. Didn't I tell you? This is brilliant! Who qualifies for such a clever program as this? Allow me to answer. First, this program is available to borrowers with taxable income only through lenders who participate in programs of the Alabama Housing Finance Authority. Second, you must be purchasing a home in the beautiful state of Alabama. Third, this program is for first-time homebuyers or for those who have not owned a home within the previous 3 years. This requirement may be waived if the home is in a HUD-identified target area. AHFA will help you determine that for your home address. Finally, your household annual income and the purchase price of the home must fall below certain limits set by the IRS. Applications are accepted on a first-come, first-served basis by a statewide network of participating lenders. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you how easy it is to apply for a mortgage credit certificate. First, when you apply for a loan with a participating lender, at the same time you must apply through the lender for an MCC. Your lender will then send all of your information to Alabama Housing Finance Authority for an upfront look to see if you qualify for an MCC. Second, after your loan closes, the lender will deliver the loan package to AHFA. AHFA will then mail you a mortgage credit certificate. Your tax advisor will use this certificate every year to calculate and report the tax credit on your federal income tax return. Now, I believe that questioning and curiosity are the most important keys to learning. So, I would like to encourage you, my students, to ask questions pertaining to the MCC program, and I will attempt to provide the best explanations that I can. Okay, you right here, ma'am. How can I help you?
Who does the Mortgage Credit Certificate program serve?
The MCC program serves borrowers with modest incomes. The limits for participation vary based on location and family size. Your local lender can tell you whether you qualify. Okay, let me see. Sir, on the left?
Can I use my mortgage credit certificate to give me extra money on my paycheck to help pay my mortgage every month?
Yes, actually, the MCC can be used in one of two ways. One, because you know you will owe less in federal income taxes, you can take your W-4 form to your employer and have them reduce the federal tax they withhold. That way, each paycheck will be a bit larger all year long. Or two, you can claim the tax credit at the end of the year on your federal tax return. Next question, please.
So what are the benefits of using this program?
The MCC reduces taxes for the first-time homebuyers, improves their financial standing, and can help them qualify for a mortgage. It offers a significant tax credit and helps homebuyers to qualify for home loans. Okay, next question.
There are 3 people in my family, and I've never owned a home before. If I meet the income and sales price limits, can I use this program to increase my take-home pay and afford a nicer home?
Precisely. Any more? Yes, this young woman right here.
Where can I find out more information on how to apply?
Excellent question, my dear. Homebuyers may send an email to homebuyerinquiries@ahfa.com for further information and a list of participating lenders in their area. Superb questions from an outstanding group of people. Thank you. Now, to bring our gathering to an end, I would like to close by saying, purchasing your own home can be an exciting and emotional process, but buying a home is not so easy and can be extremely costly too. The most crucial key of the Mortgage Credit Certificate program, in my opinion, is the fact that the MCC can ease the initial financial burden of this process. Thank you for being in attendance and for your magnificent attention and cooperation. And don't forget, it doesn't take a genius to figure out that with the MCC program, homebuyers can keep more money in their pockets.